It's not even that early, it's like 9, but I have a meeting at 10. Very dreaded meeting, but it's the last day of closing.
나만 찾고 이런 거지 내 옆에 있던 사람 괜찮니 여천으로 천천히 Make you feel better You gotta let go Baby, it's a little too late cause I already put my all to the table Everything about me from the get-go There goes another love song Hate that is becoming my usual Taking things slow, I just can't control Baby, I'm incapable of it Then one day, show up like heaven sent you here So I say, hello How you doing? Nice to meet you All my friends are telling me she might be bad news Now I can't go back, yeah you know I'm caught up in it I get obsessed so easily Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on feeling the love of my life like this But I guess I'm obsessed with you Think I'm doing better Took a little but I got my head on Finally taking a good care of Me, myself and I don't wanna wait no more Trying everything I can like meditating Keeping myself busy down to every second So I don't have time to fantasize What could have been like you and I Then again, show up like heaven sent you here So I say, hello How you doing? Nice to meet you Nice off the plane Cause you can't deny your natural beauty Now I can't go back Yeah, you know I'm caught up in you I get obsessed so easily Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on feeling the love of my life like this But I guess I'm obsessed with
Les journalistes ont une voiture et j'ai un taxi.
Les hommes travaillent et les garçons étudient. Les hommes sont journalistes et les garçons sont étudiants.
J'ai 2 chiens.
I'll be fine, I'm sorry 거짓말은 떠나지 마